Good day, viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in our presentation for today, we are looking at equations involving more than two radicals. So as you can see, we have this example: solve the root of x plus 2 plus the root of 2x. Okay, so we need to solve this, which is equated to the root of 18 minus x. So how can we find the value of x? So here we must know that in this case, it's impossible to isolate one radical, okay, on each side of the equation. So what we need to do is we need to square both sides of the equation. So first thing, we are going to write our question. We'll write root of x plus 2 plus the root of 2x is equal to the root of 18 minus x. So I've said we need to square this, okay, like this. Then we also need to square this side like this. So the purpose of squaring like this, we want to ensure that we isolate one radical on each side of the equation. Then it will be very much easier for us to find the value of x. Right, so from here, this is what we are going to do. So this side, root of x plus 2 plus root of 2x, this one is squared. So this simply means that we are multiplying this by itself 2 times. Okay, so we can even apply we can apply this property. We can say if you have a plus b squared, okay, a plus b squared, this gives us a squared plus 2ab, then plus b squared. So this gives us this. So we can apply this here. Now, for the sake of those who may not understand what I've just said, we can do it like this. You can say the root of x plus 2 plus the root of 2x. Remember, it's squared, so this has to be multiplied by itself again, plus 2 plus the root of 2x, okay, is equal to, so this one, root of 18 minus x, even this one is multiplied by itself twice. So this is root of 18 minus x in brackets, again root of 18 minus x. Yeah, so this is what it means. Okay, so from here we can try to expand here. When you say root of x plus 2 times root of x plus 2, so here when you multiply, one of the properties of radicals, you can apply that property where you say if you have root of a times root of a, because you are multiplying same variables, you are just going to have a. Okay, so since here we have same expressions, root of x plus 2 times root of x plus 2, you are just going to have x plus 2. Okay, then root of x plus 2 times positive 2x. Okay, we are going to get what we just have. So here we'll say plus root of 2x times, because this and this will be multiplied, so times root of x plus 2. Okay, so I'm done multiplying this and this, this and this. I'm remaining with this one, so I'll say plus root of 2x times this, we'll get the same thing, root of 2x, which will be multiplied by this root of x plus 2, of x plus 2. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Then positive times positive, this will give us a positive. Then root of 2x times root of 2x, same expressions, so just write 2x is equal to, so to the left hand side you are multiplying same expressions again, we just write 18 minus x. So from here you can try to simplify, so you write x plus 2, then root of 2x times root of x plus 2 plus root of 2x times root of x plus 2. So this and this are the same, so it means that this plus this we can add because we have same. So when we add them, we get plus 2. Then we just say root of 2x times the root of x plus 2. Then plus this 2x right here, which will be equal to 18 minus x. So from here, we can say this x plus 2x. This will give us 3x. This and this 3x. Then plus 2. Then plus 2 root of 2x times root of x plus 2, which will be equal to 18 minus x. Now, on this stage, we can try to take 3x and 2 to this other side of the equation. So just remain with this 2, remain with 2 root of 2x times root of x plus 2 is equal to 18 minus x. This is a positive 3x, so it will be a negative 3x. Then this is a positive 2, it will be a minus 2. Okay, then from here we can try to say 2 root of 2x times root of x plus 2 equal to 18 minus 2. This will give us 16. Negative x minus 3x. This will give us negative 4x. Now, on this stage, what we can do is that we can divide here with 2, this 2. We also divide here with 2. This and this will cancel. Then we are going to have root of 2x multiplied by root of x plus 2 is equal to, so 2 into 16, it's 8, minus 2 into 4, it's a 2x. So this is where we have come now. We have reached this stage. So on this stage now, we still have these radicals, okay? So we can still get rid of them by squaring. Okay, we can do the same again. We want to get rid of the radicals, so square. So this square is affecting this radical and this radical, so meaning this and this will cancel, this and this will cancel, just remain with this 2x. You say open bracket x plus 2. This one is equal to, again this one, when it is multiplied by itself twice, because we have something like this, 8 minus 2x, again 8 minus 2x. That's what it means. So let us try to expand. So 8 times 8, this will give us a 64. 8 times the negative 2x, this will give us negative 16x. Negative 2x times 8, again to give us negative 16x. Negative, negative, positive. Then 2x times 2x, this will give us 4x squared. So we can try it, we'll just write what we have here, 2x, open bracket, x plus 2, like this. So I hope that we are moving together. So we can simplify, we will say 2x, open bracket, x plus 2 is equal to 64. So negative 16x minus 16x, these are like terms. You can simplify, we'll get negative 32x, then plus 4 squared. Yeah, so you can see here we have 64, 32, 4. These numbers are even numbers and they are divisible by 2. So we have a 2 right here. You can try to divide with a 2. Even this side we divide with a 2, so that we just reduce the numbers. So this and this will cancel. You remain with x times x, you remain with x squared. X times 2, 2x, equal to 2 into 64. This gives us 32 minus 2 into this 32, because there are many times 16x, plus 2 into 4, it's a 2. This is what we'll get. Then from here, we can try to simplify what we have. We can see we have x squared to x squared. So when we correct the right terms, this is a positive. When it comes this side, it will be a negative, so it will be reduced. So it will be 2x squared minus x squared, of which we are just going to have x squared. Again, positive 2x. When it comes where we have negative 16x, this is a positive. When it comes this side, to be a negative 2x. So it will be negative 16x minus 2x, should give us negative 18x. Then we have a plus here, so say plus 32 is equal to what? A 0. Okay, that is where we are now. So from here now, we have what we call a quadratic equation. So we can solve now this quadratically, of which we are going to have two possible values of what? Of x. So we have 32 here we have negative 18. So we look for two numbers that we are multiplied to get positive 32. The same two numbers, when they are added, they will give us negative 18. So what you can do is this. You can do this. Then here I'll write x, even here x, because x squared. So these two numbers, I'll say if I get negative 2 and negative 16, when I say negative 2 times negative 16 to give me positive 32, then negative 2 plus negative 16 to give us negative 18. So these are the two numbers. So we equate this equal to 0. So from here, since we want to find the value of x, we will say x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 16 is equal to 0. So we can let this negative 2 to go where 0 is. We're going to have x is equal to 2, because 0 plus 2 is a 2, or x is equal to 16. So we have let this negative 16 to go where 0 is. So these were the possible values of what? Of x. X is equal to 12, or x is equal to 16. So thank you so much, everybody, for having time to view this content. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.